As market sentiment takes a nosedive with major equity indices trading none too well, we screened for stocks with positive momentum. Of the 54 names from the S&P 500, aside from Alphabet, parent company of Google, the list is very heavily dominated by healthcare, over 30% of the screened names, and this includes some big names such as Eli Lilly, Johnson & Johnson, Merck, to name a few. A sector rotational view also supports an early days recovery in healthcare relative to the broader market. So both at the sector level and bottom-up stock selection, healthcare appears well positioned to outperform. After what's been a torturous 43 percentage point underperformance over the last 3 years, healthcare is finding a bit. Now, skeptics would say we've been there before, and that is correct. So the question is, what makes this reversal hold? It could well be presaging big drug discoveries, of course, but more tangibly though, it's likely that earnings growth will have upside surprises from levels that are devoid of any expectations and potentially in contrast to elevated expectations for growth sectors that have a greater risk of disappointing. In a market that is likely to see higher volatility, healthcare adds a true defensive hue to portfolios with the added promise of outperformance. Health, after all, is wealth. This is Sunil Garg from Lighthouse Canton.